everyone, it's Sandy Reese with Stamp-A-Crew.com here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to another live video tutorial. Today we are in a winter storm right now. I love winter storms. We were fortunate, we didn't get much freezing rain, but we have had, gosh, an inch and a half of sleet, so that's piling up outside, making it hard to drive and messing with all of our plans. And I had planned to be in Memphis today, but there's no driving on the roads for me, so I'm getting caught up on some things and get to spend some time with you. So I see Kat's on. Hi, Kathleen. We're having a little break right now, and then it should start back up, and then maybe finish off with a little snow tonight. So, yeah, lots of fun. Okay, as long as we have power, it's lots of fun. All right, so I am going to get you flipped down here. All right, give me just 1 second. Forgot to put a sheet of grid paper on there. We'll just have to go with the mat for now. Okay. Nope, I'm gonna grab some grid paper. I knew I was forgetting something. I'm just gonna put my big mat here. Okay, so today, starting today, I wanted to share a few cards with you using the Sale-a-bration set, Driving By. I love this set. It's so much fun. I have always wanted one of these VW vans, and when I was in high school, I had one of these little Volkswagen Bugs, and I'll tell you about that later when we do that card, and then this adorable fun sports card. Then I'm going to pair it with our Abstract Beauty Designer Series paper. Now these are 4x6, so it's a little different size than we've had in the past. One side has gold, some gold foil accents, and the other side is just a fun pattern. So I thought I'd share these with you because these are gorgeous. So we've got this fun, small kind of stripe with white with black polka dots. This one we have the gold foil polka dots with pink, and I think this is a Blushing Bride, yep. Then we have this fun abstract one, paper with the pinks on the back. Then fun floral with the gold foil centers, and then a nice plaid. Then this fun big dot one, and then X's. I like this one, the blue, the navy watercolor wash with some gold splotches, and then just some big nice rainbow type stripes. We have this one. This is what we're going to use today. It almost looks like an aggregate, you know, if you're making this, have this tile counters or something. And then just it's just jade, but I'm going to actually pair this with Pool Party. Then we have this one, Jade and Pink, with the gold dots. Let's see if we can flip that over, and a fun kind of bokeh effect. Then a cute little pink dot, small pink flowers, and then a stripy wash on the back. I love this one because you could actually color these if you wanted, any color. And then I really like this splotchy one on the back. This one, love, love, love it. We'll be using this one this week with the stripe, diagonal stripe. And oh, is that the same one? I guess it's another one. And then a blue grid pattern on the back. So lots of great papers in this set. You get 4 of each. So lots of fun patterns. Okay, so last thing before I get started, if you place an order with the host code posted below, during the month of February, if you spend $50, you're going to get a free Sale-a-bration item. So, where's my stamp set? This is actually a $50 level, so you could get this for free with your order of $50. And I will send you a pack of Genial Gems. These are in the annual catalog. Now I'll send you a full pack. I could have sent you my messy half a pack, but I'll send you a pack of Genial Gems in the mail if you place an order using that host code posted below. All right, let us get started. So this is a very quick and simple card. I'm starting with a Pool Party card base. I love Pool Party. I find that I use a lot of this color. I'm using on like 3 or 4 of our projects for Stampery that we have coming up. Okay, then I just have a layer of Misty Moonlight. Now, if you wanted, you could, I'm looking for my adhesive, you could emboss this if you wanted. I'm just going to put a plain panel down. So we did a card similar to this, gosh, maybe at our hostess tea or bingo, but not everybody got to do that. So I thought I would share something similar. Now I took a piece of this aggregate style paper, all the little shapes. It was like this, like a gradient. What's the ombre? That's the word, ombre effect on the back. And I just cut it in half. So these are normal, these are 4 by 6. So now I have 2 4 by 3 pieces. And what I'm going to do is take this lighter one, this pattern, and I'm just going to pop this on like that. And then I'm going to take this one and pop it up here. So this paper is more of a jade color, but it's because I'm using the lighter edge, it's not too far off from the Pool Party. And then right here, these colors also go nice with the Pool Party. Okay, so now I have just a little scrap of Basic White. Had a little momentary lapse. I forgot. And then this is just another scrap of Basic White. So I'm going to take my van. We're going to just stamp it right there. Then I'm going to take my Driving By Just to Say Hi. This is just kind of a fun hello card. Not too feminine, could be a little masculine. And I'm going to stamp this, hopefully. I got a long strip in case I don't get it straight. Oh, I need to go up just a little bit. Let's try that one more time. We'll go up a little bit. A little bit crooked. Okay, let's keep going. We're going to keep going until we get it right. We have 4 tries. That's almost there. Yep, that's close enough. Okay. That's the one we're going to go with. All right, let's trim this up just a bit. Now, I'm just going to cut these straight. I'm not even going to flag these. We're just going to cut it straight and make it easy on ourselves. Okay. Now, we do need to do a little bit of coloring because who wants a plain old white van? I'm going to use Pool Party. And I think I'll use a light Pool Party for the body of my van. Hopefully I'm coloring this right. My glasses aren't the best for coloring. Okay, I'm just using white there, light there, and then I'm going to use this darker Pool Party. I've got to use this end for the top of my van. If you ever guys, you know, you have your favorite car that you've always wanted your whole life. Mine was like a 65 Mustang convertible, but I also wanted one of these. Not as bad as the convertible, but you know, close. So now I'm using a light smoky slate. Let's see how our tip looks. Looks okay. Okay, so now I'm just coloring this gray right here. Just for a little contrast. Okay, I'm going to color my wheel hubs. I'm not going to worry about the outside. Do the inside a little bit darker. And then all of my chrome work. Right there. And then I'm going to take a light black, and only because I don't use the dark black real often because the light black, you can, if there's lines or any type of shading, you can still see those. With the dark black, you can't see anything. So I feel like this is black enough for the tires. Okay. That's it for our van. Now we're going to cut them out, and I should have cut one of these out ahead of time. I apologize. I was not even thinking about it. But this shouldn't take too long. Hope everyone is staying warm out there. I know those north of us, Lucy up in St. Louis, got a lot more snow. And she said it was still snowing this morning when I texted her. Oh, let's see. Almost done. So I was going to go to Memphis to meet my daughter and her fiance to do some wedding things. And their flight was canceled from Atlanta to Memphis. So they decided they were going to drive up instead of changing their plans. And I said, look, I can't come. So they are doing wedding plans by themselves today, which I am just a little bummed out that I couldn't be there, but you know, safety first, right? Okay, let's pop up our van with a couple dimensionals, and then we're going to pop up our sentiment. Ooh, if I can grab it. Can't seem to pick it up. Look, no one's going to see that. So you just go ahead and stamp on the back of your paper if you need to. I'm going to put this. Okay, my van should be fairly straight. I'm just going to put that in an angle. And then let's bring in, we have some Artistry Blooms sequins, which are I use these so much. I just bought 2 more packs because I was running low. All right, we're gonna do kind of maybe a large and a small, and then we'll do another, if I can get it, well, maybe another large and another small up here. Love these things. And that's it. That is it for today. I mean, how quick and easy was that? And it's nice. It's kind of like a masculine card. You could say driving by just to say hi, and then if you want to do birthday or thank you or whatever you want to do on the inside, you can mix match any stamp sets that we have. Okay, that is it. If you would like to make sure you don't miss out on future videos, make sure to click subscribe below. And I will see you all back here on Saturday. All right, thanks so much. Bye-bye.